Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're going to teach you how to do this feature wall and ceiling design. Okay, feature wall like this is all wood. No, I think it's all wood lah. Okay, so maybe I will use this method. Yeah, I'll use this one. Tiles function. Okay, so here I may drag wood first. Drag one wood, double click on it. Okay, maybe I change small a bit, too big. See it first. Okay, 2D. Okay, change it small a bit. Like this, like a normal room. Okay. So click on tiles. I'll use single. This one I choose wood. Where is my wood? Wood break. Sometimes something like this. Something like this pattern. Okay, I choose this one. Okay, drag on it. Double click here. Okay. Just clear everything first. Clear everything. We put one. Okay. Then we change the size lah. Okay, we change the size. So the size, I think I will put 200 wide and 100 high. Okay, something like this. Okay, and by the way, the gap I will put more lah, to show something like this, because here got a big gap here. I may just put bigger gap, like 10 on each other with 10 gap. Okay, then I click on it, press F button. So see a big wall like this, picture wall. Okay. Okay. So after that, click complete. Complete. Okay. Now we need to do some art do some art. You see the picture here got something like lighting. This one shining white color. I think it's a lighting. So I will prefer use this method for lighting. For lighting, we will use this one, cropped. Okay. Remember I told you the shiny thing? Here. Where am I? Okay, fill light. Where is my fill light? This one. I'll usually use this one. Although it's in hidden and not hidden anymore now. Okay. LED light strip. Just drag out first. Drag out first. Okay. Then you rotate it. How we play with this lighting. Okay. So okay, change the size you want. Remember 100, 200 and 100, right? So I'll untake it first, then I will change it the white to 200 first. Later I will minimize it. Okay, 200. Then this one 100 like. Okay. Then I will need to rotate it. So press X to rotate it. Okay, rotate it. Hold your control button, guys. Okay, or else later it will fly out. Okay. Hold your control button. Okay. Control button. Okay. So just put inside. Put inside. Put inside like this. Okay. Put inside. Okay. So now you may need to do something randomly. Randomly. Okay. So I'll just move here, move here. Okay, this is one of it. Okay, move near a bit. Once you done one, the other will be easier. Okay, Control Z. Okay, if something happen, Control Z, it will come back. So don't worry about that. Okay. So you still can change the size, don't worry, because according to the picture, some are middle, or mostly are middle. Okay, so mostly mean this one is 100 only. Okay, this one is 100 only. Like this. Okay. Then now you can play with it. Okay, so maybe Shift Control. Okay, play 1 here, 2 here, okay, 3 here. Okay. So this one maybe you want longer, then you may just press C hold control button to move it longer a bit low. Okay, never mind. Okay, move it down. Okay. Okay, that's all for this one. Okay, so if you want, you can put yourself. Continue. Okay, the lighting. And for this one, I see sometimes the color are different, right? Okay, don't worry, guys. This one we can change. This one is all same texture, right? We can change the texture. Once you go inside, double click on one of the tiles. Click here, remember the what? The which class? Remember the basic class I teach you. So you click on it, you can change. Okay, let's see how I change it. Okay, select this one. Select this one. Okay, single. Remember, select single. Okay, so you can change one individual. So maybe you find something wood also, but maybe darker, or maybe something like this also can. Or just choose original. Okay, then you can use this button, material printer, paint whatever you want. If you want randomly, okay, right click. So this is the pattern. Or you can do different type. Now we're going for this one, the ceiling. The ceiling are very easy. It's just wood only, so you just need to play with the wood. Okay. In AiHouse, the most wood we have are here. Okay, but before that, I will try this one. See whether got something different. Wood. Okay, don't worry. Our wood are very fine. Okay, so I will use the wood from here, so we can customize it. Okay. Okay, let's see the system cabinet. Here we have a lot of wood. Okay, you can go for part here and choose the panel maybe. This one. This one I think this one are quite similar with the wood here. After you drag the wood, then you can change the material, so don't worry about that. But so small. Oh my god, like this don't use so small. Later I build it, I also faint. Okay, let me see any bigger one. So small also. Okay, all the wood are small, then I will like to use my super wood law. Okay, no choice. Where is my favorite one? The super board. Okay, we use the favorite one. Because the wood are too small, I cannot accept it. So this one I'll put thickness 50 so it look big. And this one I put 50 also. Then this one look normal. Okay, I'll make it longer a bit. 12,200. Okay, longer a bit. Maybe even bigger a bit. Maybe bigger a bit like this. I give it 200 better. Okay, so this one I give it 200. Okay, sometimes 200, and some of it maybe okay, Control V, or some of it maybe 100 I think. Follow the picture. 200, 100, even rotate also can, or up to you the size. Okay, no fix. Okay, just play with your style. So you just press. I'll give it a measurement. Or usually we'll give it measurement. So this one I usually can adjust in elevation here. You can just type the height. Okay, usually human height plus some ceiling height. Though I will give 2008 something like this, or 2008, so people won't hit their head. Okay, then you can continue here. This one put 2008. Go up. Okay, and maybe rotate it also can. Or with here you can rotate it. Maybe 90 degrees. Usually 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. So you can continue play with the pattern. Okay. This one the wood is white, right? So I will just follow back now. Just try change something like that. I remember some of the texture is like this. Let me check. something like this. Okay, now. Okay, or else you just upload your own texture. This one. This one white out. Okay, then just copy the material lah. Copy the material. Then to be convenient, usually I will just use this method. Ctrl V. Okay, then I will move it a bit. Use Z button. Or move it a bit, or do some rotation. No fixed one. This one move it up a bit. Look like here. Okay. 3 wood lah, or 2 wood like this. Let it flow lah, or you just let it flow. So a few moments later, okay, I lovely put lah. So this one really artistic design. So depend how you locate your banner. Okay, that one I don't know lah. Okay, up to you. So maybe we ran the thing, or to show you the difference. Okay, so let's say we ran now. Click on it. Okay, a simple render here. Okay, maybe I change the pattern or this one, because this thing is like this, so I change it to here. Okay, so I click submit. Okay. Okay, let's say a few moments later. Ta-da! So this one, okay. So you see this one, the picture are very bright, right? Because it got a lot of lighting now. So you may need to add more by your own. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.